In this video, we'll see how to make aloo tikki wrap in the TikTok trending wrap style. Let's get started. To make the wrap, we need 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida, some salt, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. So take your 1/4 teaspoon measure and take half of it. You can use gehu ka atta for this recipe. Now add 2 tablespoons dahi or curd, also called as yogurt. Now gradually add water and make a soft dough just like your normal chapati dough. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes, then apply some oil. Now cover this dough and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the aloo tikki mixture. Here I've got 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Next step is to mash them. You can use a fork or you can just mash with your fingers. Now add half teaspoon chaat masala, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup boiled peas, some salt as per taste, and then give this all a good mix. Next step is to add something for binding. I'm adding breadcrumbs. You can see that these are slightly brown in color because these are made from 100% whole wheat bread. So you can use any breadcrumbs which you have, or you can use fresh bread as well. So you can crush some fresh bread and add that to this mixture. So this recipe will give you 4 equal sized patties of the size, medium size, which you can see on the screen. Let's keep these aside for a while. The dough has been resting for 15 minutes and the next step is to knead it for 15 to 20 seconds. And you had noticed that it was rough, and now after kneading it looks really nice and smooth. Divide this dough into 4 equal sized portions. Now sprinkle some maida if you are using maida in this recipe, or atta if you're using atta, gehu ka atta in this recipe. And then roll it thin like a chapati. A thin chapati or thin roti of bigger size. Heat your tawa, keep the flame at medium or between medium to high. Then after 10 to 15 seconds, flip and again 15 seconds around, and then you don't need to overcook this or cook it completely like a chapati because later we are going to grill it. Similarly, make rest of the wraps. Keep these wraps in cotton cloth just like you store your chapati or roti, so that these remain soft and nice. Let's make the tikki. So I'm going to shallow fry these, so little oil. You may deep fry these, or you can crumb coat these with some corn flour, maida slurry, then coating of breadcrumbs. Cook the tikkis till these become golden brown on both the sides. These are done. Let's quickly prepare the mayonnaise. So for that, take 2 tablespoons plain mayonnaise and to that add 1 to 2 tablespoons chili sauce. You can increase the quantity of chili sauce, or instead of chili sauce you can use tomato sauce or any other sauce or green chutney. So totally up to you. This step is ready. Let's move to the next step. Now final step is to assemble everything. Like I said, I had stored these wraps in a cotton cloth and these are still moist and fresh. And now comes the TikTok trending style, that is to make a cut like this in 1/4. Apply some sauce in the first quarter, tikki in the second, and mozzarella cheese. You can use processed cheese if you do not have mozzarella. Lettuce leaves. If you do not have lettuce leaves, you can just put tomato slices and onion. Now start wrapping with the mayo side. So the mayo will stick to the tikki, then it will stick to the cheese, and that way it would be easier for you to wrap this. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the wraps. Now I'm using a sandwich maker to grill these, but you can use your regular tawa, or if you have a grill pan or grill tawa, you can use that. So having a sandwich maker like this is not a mandatory thing. Our delicious wraps are ready. Aloo tikki wraps are ready. So this recipe will give you 4 such wraps of medium size. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and enjoy.